Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, your go to place for amazing travel adventures. Today, we're taking you to one of the most breathtaking destinations in Vietnam, Ha Long Bay. When Ha Long, a breathtaking masterpiece of nature, stands as a testament to the Earth's artistic prowess, showcasing thousands of limestone islands and islets that rise majestically from emerald waters. Each island, sculpted by the relentless hands of time and the elements, tells a story of geological wonder, adorned with lush greenery and dramatic cliffs that seem to pierce the sky. The bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is not merely a collection of rocks, it is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, where diverse marine species thrive amidst the intricate caves and hidden lagoons. As the sun rises over the horizon, casting golden hues across the tranquil waters, Vin Ha Long transforms into a dreamscape. The mist that often blankets the bay adds an air of mystique, inviting visitors to explore its secrets. Kayaking through the serene waters, one can glide past towering casts, their silhouettes reflecting on the surface, creating an enchanting mirror image. Each stroke of the paddle reveals hidden gems, from secluded beaches to ancient fishing villages where time seems to stand still. The cultural richness of Vin Ha Long complements its natural beauty. Local legends whisper tales of dragons descending from the mountains, shaping the landscape we see today. The vibrant communities that inhabit the floating villages embody a harmonious relationship with nature, showcasing traditional fishing practices that have been passed down through generations. Visiting Vin Ha Long is more than just a visual feast. It is an invitation to connect with nature's grandeur and appreciate the delicate balance of life within this stunning environment. It is a place where every moment spent feels like a timeless journey, leaving an indelible mark on the heart and soul of those fortunate enough to witness its splendor. 1. Overview. Ha Long Bay is one of Vietnam's most famous destinations, recognized as a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in 1994 and 2000. Located in Quang Ninh Province, about 170 km from Hanoi, the bay features thousands of limestone islands and islets, creating a breathtaking and mysterious natural landscape. 2. Highlights of Ha Long Bay: magnificent scenery. Over 1,900 limestone islands floating on emerald green waters, forming a spectacular natural masterpiece. Mysterious caves. Famous caves like Sung Sot Cave, Dau Go Cave, and Thien Kung Cave with stunning stalactites and stalagmites. Diverse tourism activities, cruising, kayaking, overnight stays on the bay, swimming, rock climbing. Delicious seafood. Fresh seafood specialties such as Ha Long squid cake, mantis shrimp, horseshoe crab, and clam dishes. 3. Must-visit attractions: Fighting Cock Islet, Hon Trong Mai, a symbol of Ha Long Bay, featuring two large rock formations resembling two roosters facing each other. A perfect spot for photography, especially at sunset. Sung Sot Cave, Surprise Cave, one of the most beautiful caves in Ha Long Bay, filled with unique rock formations. The deeper you go inside, the more impressive the scenery becomes. T-Top Island, a pristine beach with crystal clear water and soft white sand, ideal for swimming. Climb to the top of the island for a panoramic view of Ha Long Bay. Thiua Van Fishing Village, one of the most beautiful floating fishing villages in the world. Experience local fishermen's life, go fishing, and enjoy the stunning sunset on the bay. Soi Sim Island, a less crowded, unspoiled island with scenic hiking trails, a clean and beautiful beach with transparent water. 4. Top experiences in Ha Long Bay: cruising. Book a luxury cruise for a high-end experience and enjoy the bay at night. Kayaking, explore hidden caves and paddle between limestone islands. Swimming and snorkeling at T-Top Island, Ngoc Vang Island. Hiking, Bai Tho Mountain, enjoy a panoramic view of Ha Long Bay from a 200-meter height. Visiting fishing villages, experience local life, go fishing, and savor fresh seafood. 5. Best time to visit Ha Long Bay: March, May, cool weather, little rain, ideal for sightseeing and kayaking. September, November, beautiful autumn season, clear skies, great for outdoor activities. June, August, peak tourist season with warm weather but occasional storms. 6. How to get to Halong Bay from Hanoi by bus or limousine. About 3 to 4 hours, cost from 200,000, 500,000 VND. By train from Jia Lam station, about 5 hours. By seaplane, luxury option, offering an aerial view of the bay. From Ho Chi Minh City or Da Nang, fly to Vendon or Cat B Airport, then take a 1-hour drive to Ha Long. 7. Estimated travel costs. Day tour, 600,000, 100,000 VND person. Overnight cruise tour, 2,000, 6,000 VND person. Hotels, 500,000, 2,000 VND night, depending on type, for 200,000, 500,000 VND person meal. Must try Ha Long cuisine. The Ha Long is not only famous for its stunning landscapes, but also for its rich seafood cuisine. Here are the top dishes you must try. Fresh seafood, the taste of the ocean. Ha Long squid cake, chamak, a famous delicacy made from hand-pounded squid, creating a chewy yet crispy texture. Best enjoyed with steamed sticky rice or rice rolls, dipped in fish sauce. Recommended restaurant, Huong Duyen Restaurant, 66, Nguyen Van Chu, Ha Long. Grilled Sipunculus worm, Sasung, a rare specialty, known for its rich, slightly sweet taste. Often grilled and served with salt, pepper, and lime. Recommended restaurant, Tien An Restaurant, 125 4 Street, Ha Long. Horseshoe crab, Sampian. Used in various dishes such as crispy fried eggs, stir-fried sweet and sour horseshoe crab, or even blood pudding. Has a unique, slightly chewy texture and a naturally sweet flavor. Recommended restaurant, Huong Tu Restaurant, 38, Ha Long City. Salt roasted mantis. Shrimp, BB Rang Moi, a must-try dish known for its firm and naturally sweet meat. Also served boiled with beer or cooked in hot pot. Recommended restaurant, Phuong Nam Restaurant, Bai Che, Ha Long. Steamed roasted chu kai crab, a special type of crab found in Quang Ninh, with meaty and sweet flesh. Best when steamed or stir-fried with tamarind sauce. Recommended restaurant, 555 Restaurant, Bai Chai, Ha Long. Other unique dishes. Mantis shrimp noodle soup, Boon Baby, a flavorful seafood broth made from fresh mantis shrimp served with herbs and onions. Recommended restaurant, Hong Han Noodle Shop, 50 Ha Long City. Tien Yen Hill Chicken, Gardo Tien Yen. Known for its firm, sweet meat and crispy yellow skin. Best enjoyed boiled with salt, pepper, and lime. Recommended restaurant, Chin Cook Restaurant, Tien Yen, Quang Ninh. Quang Yen fermented pork roll, Nem Chua Quang Yen. A special fermented pork snack with a slightly tangy and chewy taste. Often served with fig leaves and a sweet dipping sauce. Recommended restaurant, various shops in Quang Yen Town, Quang Ninh. 9. Best places to eat in Ha Long Hong Han Restaurant, 50 Ha Long City. Fresh seafood with rich flavors. Phuong Nam Restaurant, Bai Chai. Beautiful ocean view, diverse menu. Kim Kui Seafood Restaurant, Kai Dam, Bai Chai. Specializes in seafood at reasonable prices. Ha Long Market 1 and 2, a street food paradise with many seafood stalls. 10. Important travel tips. Book your cruise in advance during peak season to secure the best deals. Bring sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat as the sun can be intense. Pack a swimsuit if you plan to swim or kayak. Respect the environment. Do not litter in the bay. Ask for prices before purchasing to avoid overcharging. 11. Final thoughts. Should you visit Ha Long Bay? If you love nature, breathtaking landscapes, and luxurious cruise experiences, Ha Long Bay is a must visit. With its stunning scenery, well developed tourism services, and exciting activities, this is undoubtedly one of Vietnam's top travel destinations. Have you been to Ha Long Bay yet? If not, would you love to visit?